Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to watch Muay Thai fights easily on your mobile phone. If you're a fan of combat sports and want to watch live matches or highlights anytime, this method is simple and completely beginner-friendly. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, go to your App Store or Play Store. In the search bar, type YouTube, and make sure that the app is installed and updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once the app is updated, open the YouTube app. Now in the search bar, type One Championship and tap on the official channel. After opening the channel, you'll see different types of videos including fight highlights, full matches, and exclusive content. If you want to watch live Muay Thai fights, simply go to the Live section on the channel. Here you'll find all the live streams and ongoing events. You can now enjoy watching Muay Thai matches directly on your phone anytime. So that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.